Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be doing my updates and a new project pan kind of video. So just real quick recap from my last project pan video. I didn't really end it. I finished up one more product since my last update that I did give, and I actually cut it open and tried to scrape out what was left. This is the It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Plus Color Correcting Full Coverage Cream, and I have since repurchased it and bought another one. This is in the shade Light, I believe. So one more down, but that was the only other one I could finish. So I didn't quite get to finish a few other things that I said I was going to get rid of by the end of the year if I didn't finish them. So let me go through those real quick with you. So this is the eyeshadow. There is barely any left, I know, but I'm still just gonna get rid of it. Like, it almost actually looks like it's gonna fall out of here. So anyway, I almost used it up. Did you just see that? It just fell out of the pan onto the floor. Awesome, well, it's gone now. I also am getting rid of the e.l.f. Mineral Eyeshadow Primer. I did not use it up completely, and I mentioned that if I didn't use it up by the end of the year, then I'm getting rid of it. I don't care for it. I don't think it worked that well. Last item from my project pan that I did not finish that I'm going to get rid of is the Ulta lip liner in clear. Now let's get into the products that I will be trying to use up this year, 2019, for my project pan. I picked 9 items. I was going to do this a little bit differently, but I'm going to try this out and see how it goes. So I picked a few items that I'm going to roll over from last year, such as the It Cosmetics Celebration Foundation Illumination in Fair. I am still working on it. I did stop using it for the remainder of the year after my update, I believe. So yeah, still quite a bit in here, but I want to continue to go through this. I am also rolling over this duo, the blush and highlight duo from Aziza II. So that's kind of where I am at with this one. So still going to work on this and try and use this up this year. And I'm also rolling over the Ulta Hydra Shine Lip Gel in number 18. I really like this. I just kept forgetting to pull for it. So I want to continue to use this and try and use it up completely. Now I have 2 products. I can't recall if they were in my project or not. I know that's awful. But I have the Clinique Quick Liner for Eyes Intense in Intense Ebony. And I can't roll this one up because it doesn't go back down, which I don't really like. That's a pet peeve of mine with this, but it is a good product. So I'm going to continue to use this one. And then I'm pretty sure I had this in my project pan last year. So I believe this will be a rollover. This is the It Cosmetics Brow Power Universal Eyebrow Pencil. And on one side is the pencil and one side is the brush. So let's roll this up and see how much we have. So this is how much left that I have in there. I do use this pretty often. Most times that I wear makeup, I will be wearing this, so it just is taking me a while to use. These are ones that I don't believe I was using in my project pan last year, so these are new ones I'm adding in. This is another lip product. This is the Ulta Beauty Matte Lip Cream, and this is in Tender. Looks like that. And this is actually what I'm wearing on my lips right now. And I also have this Revlon Color Stay eyeshadow quad that I am going to be trying to use this year. And this is in the color Decadent 505. We're going to give this a try. I will be traveling quite a bit this year, so this might come in handy for that as well. I also pulled another eyeshadow. This is a single eyeshadow, and this is one where if I can't use this up by the end of the year, I'm going to need to get rid of this just like the other one. But this one, because it is so old, I'm embarrassed to say how old, and I'm sure you can tell by the packaging. This is a Jane Cosmetics eyeshadow in Hip Bone. And I have hit pan on it, but I want to finish it up or get as close to finishing it up as possible before the end of the year. Last product for my project pan this year for 2019 is the Lorac Behind the Scenes Eye Primer. I don't remember if I like this one or not, but because I'm getting rid of the e.l.f. one, I'm going to move on to this one next. I've had this for a little bit, so if I can't use this one up completely, then I'm going to need to get rid of this one as well. Alright, so that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I'll try and give you guys maybe monthly updates. We'll kind of see how it goes. I'm going to play it by ear a little bit this year. Let me know if you guys have tried any of these products and let me know what your thoughts are on those if you have tried them. And if you are doing a project pan as well, let me know down below. I love watching these, and I love just hearing about what people are using and their progress and stuff like that. I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Bye!